Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma marked a significant moment for the state's agricultural sector by flagging off 1,700 metric tons of broomgrass from Clay Umstem Ribhoi district. The initiative under the CM Assure scheme aims to boost agricultural resilience and rural development. Several dignitaries, including Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar and Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal, attended the event. Sangma emphasized the government's support for farmers through various schemes like the Turmeric and Ginger Missions, CM Assure and CM Elevate.
But decisions that were necessary to support our farmers. The different mission mode programs, whether you talk of Turmeric Mission, whether you talk of Ginger Mission, whether you talk of the Aroma Mission, the Mushroom Mission, and many more mission mode programs, gave a sense of direction, a timeline, and a way forward to achieve goals in a time-bound manner.
Tibetan Parliament member